Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about a project called IOPn, that is the Internet of the People chain. They just joined the Xeet.ai and you've got an early opportunity to get involved, earn points now, and possibly be eligible for future airdrops. So first, what is IOPn? It's a next-gen layer 1 blockchain, that is GEN for short, that is the generation, building a digital identity and sovereign infrastructure stack. They are all about giving people control of their identity, assets, and data online. So now, what exactly is Xeet? Xeet.ai. That is the platform they just got introduced into. Xeet.ai is an info FI, that is social FI platform, built on top of the social networks, especially the X, that is the former Twitter. So they reward users for meaningful activity, quality content, and building genuine influence instead of just noise or spams. So in simple terms, if you post or share, connect, and engage in ways that move the conversation forward, you earn points or reputation in the system. So that signal may help you qualify for future token drops or rewards. Here is the exciting part. The IOPn and the Xeet.ai have launched a $300,000 reward pool in OPN tokens for active participants. So by joining the IOPn community on the Xeet, completing simple tasks and engaging with meaningful posts, you stand a chance to earn from that pool. You stand a chance to earn from that pool. So it's all about quality participation, no spam. So the better you perform, the higher chances you get. So here is why this matters. Since IOPN has joined the Xeet.ai, that means IOPN community can now participate in a tax to earn scenario via Xeet. So by doing these simple tasks and earning signals, you are positioning yourself to be early and ready when the future rewards or events or airdrop even launch. So here is how to get started, and here is what you should do right now. It's very easy. Head over to your Zit. I'll be dropping all the links you need for in the description. So make sure you copy the right link. So head over to Zit.ai and connect your X handle, that is former Twitter. So let's click on login with X. Then it will prompt you to authorize your Twitter, and you click on Twitter. Then you'll be asked to authorize. Okay, I will be asked to authorize. Then it will take me into my account immediately. But for you as a new user, once you log in with your Twitter, the next thing you need to do is connecting your wallet address. Then once you connect the wallet address, either an abstract wallet or a MetaMask, it depends on, or a Solana wallet. So any one of your choice. Once you are done connecting the wallet, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you are following IOPN on their X handle, then join their community like Discord. Make sure you engage with their post on Twitter. Make sure you're also active on their Discord. Then the first thing you need to do here is to come over here. You can see tournaments. Then you click on task. These ones, I've actually claimed all these tasks, but let me claim them again. Hold on, I've actually completed this task, so it's supposed to show completed. So hold on, yes, you can see when you head over to this place, you do the complete this simple task, follow Jimmy on X, then follow IOPN. Then once you're done doing the task, you click on claim to claim them. So once you are done claiming those, doing the task and claiming them, the next thing you need to do is this. So post meaningful, create content about IOPN, engage in meaningful conversation on X, on their X handle. You can also post meaningful content, just be active. Posting all those meaningful content will help build your signal. So keep an eye on announcement from IOPN, Discord, and their X handle also keep an eye on Xeet.ai Twitter handle so you don't miss any updates on the project. So one last note, one last thing you need to know is that it's more of quality over quantity. So it's about building credibility, not spam. So focus on meaningful engagement, just not just clicks. So let's explore other signals here. Let's click back. Then you can see other feature signals here. So because I'm using my phone, that's why it's like this. You can see the first one, Zit Info FI. Then the second one is IOPn. This one is Soul Styles. Then VDEX. So if you want to explore anyone here too, you can actually go ahead. And you can see here, this is the reward IOPn will be sharing over 300K. So let's check this project. This I will also talk about other projects in my next video, but this particular video is specially meant for IOPN. So get involved, get started. If you claim the IOPN badge, get in early and get involved. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips like this.